Hello everyone, today I'm talking a new feature in Go-HighLevel, that is how to set up the buy now button on product detail page. For accessing this feature, first you have to get into sub-user development of Go-HighLevel and click on sites. And after that, you can click on websites. Here I can select a sample as website, a t-shirt website. After clicking on this website, a page will be loaded. Okay, in this page you will get home page, product list page, product details page, cart page, and checkout page, and thank you page. But in this scenario, like I need to do the process of how to set up the buy now button on product detail page. For this, we need to get into product details, and we need to click on that. The page is loading. After the page loads, you will get a product detail page completely. This is the product detail page, and if I click on this page image, okay, I will get the option as add to cart button text, add to cart, buy now button. Okay, here I can use this feature, and also I can use the show buy now button. If I toggle this, I will get a option known as buy now here. Okay, in that case I can give color. I can choose various color for the product. Like if I choose blue color, the product color will be changed. And if I choose font options, I can use default font or any font I can use, and I can make some changes here also. So for enhancing the future and to get more sales to products, I can add a call to action buy now. There is a offer going on for limited time. Okay. After this, I can click on save and publish. By using this feature, we can enable the users to get more sales for the products whichever is present in the cart. Thank you.